Hello everyone, welcome to Me Paintings. I'm Veronica Me, and today I would like to share with you another creative fluid art tutorial. As you can see, I will be using this warm spectrum of paints: mauve, magenta, light pink, lemon yellow, lavender and permanent violet. I will be also using turquoise as a swiping color. Now I will just quickly show you how I mix my paint. I'm gonna use acrylic paint, pouring medium, and 2 spoons of distilled water. I'm gonna put blob of paint in my old yogurt cup, like this. And I'm gonna mix 1 part of paint, 1 part of pouring medium. As you can see, it is very thick now, but I'm gonna add 2 spoons of distilled water. 1, 2. Mix it up again. Perfect, and this is the right consistency. It shouldn't be too fluid, but also not too thick, something between. I will be painting on primed cotton canvas, which is size 40 by 50 centimeters. So let's start by layering my paint in lines like this. I will start with permanent violet and just pour this here and there, or also like a few blobs here and there. All of it. And I'm gonna spread it with my wooden spade like this. Lavender. You can help yourself with fingers. It's definitely better to wear gloves. Mauve. Magenta. Pink. And last one, yellow. Okay, that's done. Now I'm gonna pour this turquoise here on this edge, and then I'm gonna swipe it all the way there and cover all these paints so I can create beautiful wiggle pattern. So here on this edge. And I have got this piece of plastic sheet, so let's wipe it all the way there. Perfect. And now it's time to use my wooden fork. I'm gonna create these wiggle lines. So let's start from here. It's not very visible. I'm gonna show you bigger detail. Now it looks like this, and I decided to do these circles from the bottom up to there. So let's use a different kind of tool. It has got teeth like this, and I'm gonna do these half circles. I actually should have started from the top. I always wipe off the paint and then start again here. You know what, I'm gonna start at the top and then I will go down. That's gorgeous. Perfect. Now it looks like this. I'm gonna let the paint dry and then I'm gonna embellish it with some gold details to create amazing pattern on this wiggle half circle fluid art. After a few days the painting is dry and it turned out amazing. I absolutely love these half circles, and although it looks kind of 3D, I decided to paint shadow for each round circle to highlight the depth in these circles. But before I start with shadows, I'm gonna apply this metal leaf glue on some parts because I want to highlight these half circles with golden shine. So this is a special kind of glue. You apply it on places which you want to cover with golden sheet. You let it dry for about 3-4 hours, and then when it gets dry, it's sticky and you can apply the golden sheet on the top of it. So it will make this painting look even more beautiful. I will be using this old brush for that. You just simply put it on the tip of your brush and then highlighting the parts when I put golden leaf onto it. And to make it nicer, I will also apply the glue on these edges and then cover them with gold foil. It's time to cut this golden sheet into tiny stripes. You have to be very gentle with it because it tears easily. And I'm gonna apply this sheet onto the places with the glue. Let's cut it into tiny stripes. I'm gonna put the other paper sheet on the top so I can use my scissors. Yeah, just very tiny thin stripes of gold. If I didn't have these two papers in between, I wouldn't be able to cut it with scissors. So let's put the stripes onto the places with glue. I just have to find the places with the glue because it's not very visible, but when you look at it on the sunshine, you can see the places are quite shiny. And then I'm gonna use this very soft makeup brush and get rid of these leftovers, excessive gold sheets. And when I've got these leftovers, I always put them in a cup like this, and I will also use these leftovers for my thin golden lines. And last thing which I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paint shadows around each half circle, and for that I'm gonna use black acrylic paint and this type of blending brush. I always put my brush in water, tap it on a tissue, put a little bit of black paint on the tip of my brush, and then create a shadow like this. Not very big, I don't want to overdo it. I put my brush back in water and then nicely blend it like this. Perfect. And this step isn't that necessary, it already looks 3D, but I think it will add much more interest to the painting. So let's do it all over the circles and then I will show you the finished result. Now the sun showed and the golden foil looks amazing on the sunshine. And this is the result of my textured fluid art painting, and I have to say I absolutely love the result. I love how 3D it looks. You can display it this way or maybe like this. The golden shine is amazing, or also like this. So cool. So I hope this tutorial was inspirational for you. I hope it will give you courage to paint and create amazing art pieces. And if you'd like to see many more inspirational tutorials, I've got my Patreon, patreon.com/mepaintings, where I share most of my painting tutorials nowadays. I wish you loads of success with your art pieces, and if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up or share it with your friends, or let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I wish you loads of success. Bye!